Welcome to Unboxing Cool Things at the Bracebridge Library. Every weekday we will introduce you to a new item from our Cool Things to Borrow collection. Here is today's item. Well, what do we have here? We have a carbon monoxide alarm. Now, this is a very important thing to have and to understand what it is. So when you get it, you have the instruction manual, which explains to you a little bit about carbon monoxide and the dangers it could cause to you. It's important to remember that 50 particles per million is the minimum, that it will detect. So it also goes through the different normal human reactions you may get at the various levels. But also might vary if you're a child, if you're a pregnant woman. So it's good to understand that before you start using it. Now, when you get your alarm, this is what it looks like. All you have to do is you plug it in, just like that. It will do some setup stuff. It takes a minute or two for it to initialize, but once it is initialized, you are ready to go with your carbon monoxide alarm. You can borrow a cool thing today at the Bracebridge Library with your library card.